YouTube, fuck going on, y'all boys? Hey man, say man, it's 101, unique, and we back with another video and shit. So hey, as y'all boys talk about the title, finna be making some custom jorts, jeans, whatever you wanna call that shit. So hey, finna be taking y'all boys on a full tutorial, step by step process on how I make my custom jeans.
What?
And I'm just gonna come out hard as fuck, cause I picked up some like fire ass carpenter jorts jeans from Walmart for like $15. So I'm finna be customizing them shits, distressing them, dyeing them and shit. So yeah, it's gonna be like a step-by-step process tutorial. So if not, let's get started with the video. YouTube! Hey, we back and shit. So step one is gonna be distressing the jeans first before we dye that shit. I don't know why. Like, first, one time I would make some jeans, but I dyed the shit first and then try to distress them, but I didn't dye them all the way. My dye was like fucking up the garment and shit. So like, I don't know, when I tried to distress them, the color of the inside of the jeans was coming out a different color than the original garment. Not the original garment, but the garment after I dyed it. So it's like two different separate colors. So we're gonna distress them shits first, then we're gonna dye that shit. So step one. So the jeans I had picked up was these, like some big ass carpenter jeans. I slick fuck with them, cause you know, extra pockets and shit, utilities and shit, like some utility jeans, some regular jeans. So yeah, these shit's hard as fuck. I'm finna take up with a step-by-step process. So if not, let's go and get started. So mainly in this process, I was just mainly distressing the jeans and then basically cutting them up, making them look more rugged, I'd say. So the first process was distressing the bottoms. So I ended up deciding to cut the whole bottoms off instead of letting them hang because they were just gonna be too fucking long for my legs. I'm skinny as fuck, and I don't want these bitches to look like jeans type shit. So I ended up cutting the bottoms off and adding a few more rips and stuff on the sides and on the other side of the jeans. So yeah, that's basically what I did for this process, just distressing them and stuff. And yeah. YouTube, hey, otherwise, hey, we back and shit. So hey, the finished product after distressing the jeans look like, cut the bottoms off too. So yeah, it's the finished product. Pretty straight, pretty neat. The bottoms cut off, little stressing on the jeans and shit. So, but we say y'all something, when you distressing jeans or a shirt, do not do that shit on the floor, cause that shit's gonna get everywhere. Especially you got a fucking carpet like me. My dumb ass just did that stupid shit, bro. Now I got blue shit all across my floor. Shit's everywhere now. But I kind of like how they turned out. You know, I'm still working on my sewing machine and shit. But when I get my sewing machine, I'm going crazy. So I'm finna take y'all boys to the next step of dyeing the garment now. So I got a lot of colors. So I already did like some jeans with a dark brown. So I either want to try like dark green or black. And this green is really calling my name. But I don't have like a black pair of jorts. So I'm gonna do black for today. And probably green on the video or some shit. So we're gonna go and take that boy to the next step, the next process of dyeing the garment. So we're gonna be setting up the dye. So hey, let's go. YouTube! Hey, we back in shit for third step, dyeing the jeans. So, make sure you dye your jeans, if you plan on like doing it the bucket way or like a steel pot, make sure you get a bucket, a huge plastic container full of 3 gallons of water. 3 gallons of water. And then you wanna add a whole cup of salt. 1 cup of salt. And then you wanna add 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of dish detergent. So yeah. Next, I'm using our dye. I think a half a cup or a little bit more than a half. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what the steel pot look like and us actually dyeing it and stuff
through the whole process. So yeah, let's go and get started.
So in this process, I was just adding the dye into the container and dyeing the jeans. But I have fucked up somewhere. I end up adding too much water, I think. So that's why it didn't come out as dark as I wanted it to come out. But yeah, make sure y'all add the 3 gallons of water, 1 cup of salt, and then a tablespoon of dish detergent. And make sure your water is over 140 degrees Fahrenheit, or that shit would not work out. So yeah, I'm just let y'all boys finish watching the clip, and yeah. So I didn't really tell y'all boys the other stuff for the other process. So you want to continuously stir for like 10 minutes straight, non-stop stirring. Do not stir too fast, but slow, like at a slow pace, basically. And then after that, you want to wait 30 minutes if you're dyeing jeans, and then 10 minutes if you're dyeing like a shirt or something, or like a regular jacket. So yeah. So the next step after that should be you run the garment under cold water to make sure it's running clear, basically. Make sure you get all that dye out of that pair of jeans or what you dyeing. So yeah, that's really about it.
YouTube. Say man, we back and shit. So hey, not gonna lie, I had did some extra distressing after I had got the garment. But throughout the whole video, I'm gonna be telling you the steps and what to do and how to set up to make your own jeans. So yeah, the finished product, bruh, not gonna cap, this shit came out fire as fuck, bruh. Like, I'm real deal thinking about selling these shits. So yeah, this how they look. Hold on. My fault. Get down headphones so I can eat it. But the finished product is these. Don't mind the belt. The belt just add details. This shit's hard as fuck. So yeah. So a lot of people say use the box dye, like the box version. Cause like I seen this one dude on TikTok use that shit, bro, and that shit just worked better than the whole bottle version. I'm like, what? How does the powder one work better than the bottle one? But it's the back of the jeans. See, it was distressing all the outlines in it. So yeah. So if you ask me, I think these came out amazing. Hey, I'm gonna be making some more custom jeans. Gonna be selling some. So hey, y'all niggas stay tuned in this shit, bro. So honestly, jeans came out pretty amazing, bro. Like, these shits is fire as fuck, bro. No cap, these shits are, bro. These shits are. I'm be wearing the fuck out of these. Posting these on my Instagram, TikTok. Y'all niggas stay tuned, bro. Y'all niggas stay tuned. So yeah, if y'all boys not, like, comment, subscribe, turn post notifications on, hit that bell. Every time y'all niggas know when I drop, y'all can get a notification and know that shit, bro. So yeah, that boy's gonna like, subscribe, comment, share this video, all your friends. And yeah, we out.